a rainy day and I happened to be driving along in Morgantown and turned a corner and out of nowhere, someone rear-ended me. First time I had been in a car accident before and I wasn't quite sure what to do. Went down the appropriate avenues, I thought, of calling police, making sure everybody was okay. I had been buckled in my seatbelt, but I still suffered injury and my car suffered damage. I was contacted by my insurance company. Things went well on that end. I was also contacted by the person who had rear-ended me, their company. And I thought I could handle all of this paperwork and talk with the company myself. Well, not too far into the process, I began to notice that they didn't have my best interests at heart. They would say one thing and say something else. The inconsistency began to raise some red flags. And they called one day to tell me what the settlement would be, wrapping things up, and I was shocked. I had had injuries, I had had medical bills. I fortunately was able to heal. I was getting ready to get my vehicle fixed, and I felt that I hadn't been listened to. I felt that I had been dismissed, not cared about on the other end, and I decided maybe I needed some help. And I wish I would have called earlier, of course, but I gave the Robinette Group a call. I met with Jeff right away. He made me feel comfortable, respected, listened to. Actually, I felt like I had his full attention. Took lots of notes. Every detail was accounted for. Anyone who needed to be contacted, everything was handled on Jeff's end. I didn't have to do any more of the paperwork, didn't have to make any more of the phone calls, didn't have to get any more calls from the other insurance company either, where the people had grown extremely rude. Everything was taken care of for me, and I was updated with how the process was going. And so in the end, I'm very fortunate that I was able to heal from my wounds, but I was also able to learn a valuable lesson, and that is, should anything like this ever happen again, I need to contact the Robinette Group because they'll take care of everything for me.